Understanding the phrase, balanced response, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and useful phrase, balanced response. Whether you're in a business meeting, a casual conversation, or even in academic settings, understanding and using this phrase correctly can greatly enhance your communication skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, balanced response, is made up of two words, balanced and response. Let's look at each word separately. Balanced typically means evenly distributed or in a state of equilibrium. It implies a sense of fairness and equality. On the other hand, response refers to a reply or reaction to something. When combined, a balanced response suggests a reply that is thoughtful, measured, and fair, considering all aspects of the situation. A balanced response is often used in situations that require careful consideration and diplomacy. For example, in a debate, giving a balanced response means considering both sides of the argument before replying. In a workplace conflict, it involves acknowledging all points of view and responding in a way that resolves issues without bias. Here are a few examples. 1. In a business meeting, the manager's balanced response to the budget concerns reassured the team. 2. In personal relationships, when discussing sensitive topics, it's important to give a balanced response to maintain harmony. Using a balanced response is crucial because it shows that you are a thoughtful and fair-minded individual. It helps in building trust and respect in both professional and personal relationships. Moreover, it aids in effective problem-solving and conflict resolution, as it ensures that all perspectives are considered. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, balanced response. Remember, a balanced response is all about being fair, thoughtful, and considerate in your replies. It's a skill that enhances your communication and strengthens your relationships. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.